Do you know all the shapes around you? Ever wonder how many shapes you encounter in your daily life? From the circular coffee mug you drink from every morning to the rectangular smartphone you're probably holding right now, shapes are everywhere. Today we're going to explore 20 of these shapes in detail. We begin with the circle. A circle, like a wheel, is perfectly round and has no corners or edges. For instance, consider a coin. It's a perfect example of a circle. Next up is the square. A square, like a chessboard, has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Think about a typical sticky note. It's usually square-shaped. The third shape is a triangle. A triangle, like a mountain peak, has 3 sides and 3 angles. Imagine a slice of pizza. That's a triangle for you. The fourth shape on our list is the rectangle. A rectangle, like a door, has 4 sides with opposite sides being equal and 4 right angles. Your television screen is likely a rectangle. Fifth, we have the Pentagon. A pentagon, like the structure of the Pentagon building, has 5 sides and 5 angles. A common example is the cross-section of a house, which often forms a pentagon. Next is the hexagon. A hexagon, like a honeycomb cell, has 6 sides and 6 angles. The bolts used in construction are often hexagonal. Seventh is the octagon. An octagon, like a stop sign, has 8 sides and 8 angles. A common umbrella is an example of an octagon when open. Number 8 brings us to the oval. An oval, like an egg, is rounded but not perfectly circular. A running track is a perfect example of an oval. Ninth on our list is the rhombus. A rhombus, like a diamond on a playing card, has 4 equal sides but no right angles. The tiles in certain floor designs are often rhombuses. 10th is the parallelogram. A parallelogram, similar to a skewed rectangle, features opposing sides that are equal and parallel. Consider a book, for instance. When a book lies flat on a table, it indeed makes a perfect example of a parallelogram. Coming up 11th is the trapezoid, also known as a trapezium in some regions. It has 4 sides with at least 1 pair of parallel sides. The cross-section of a bridge often forms a trapezoid. Next, we delve into 3-dimensional shapes, starting with the sphere. A sphere, like a ball, is perfectly round in all directions. The planet Earth is a sphere. Then we have the cube. A cube, like a dice, has 6 equal square faces. Ice cubes are a perfect example. The cylinder, up next, like a can of soda, has 2 circular faces and 1 curved surface. A roll of toilet paper is a cylinder. 15th on the list is the cone. A cone, like an ice cream cone, has a circular base and a pointed top. A traffic cone is another example. Next is the pyramid. A pyramid, like the ones in Egypt, has a square or triangular base with triangular faces converging to a point. The game piece in a board game is often pyramid-shaped. 17th, we have the prism. A prism, like a glass prism, has identical polygonal faces with the ends being parallel. A common example is a Toblerone chocolate bar, which is also a form of a triangular prism. Then comes the diamond. A diamond, like a gemstone, is a 4-sided shape with pointed ends. A kite often resembles a diamond shape. 19th is the crescent. A crescent, like a waxing or waning moon, is a curved shape that is broader in the middle and tapers towards the ends. A common example is a croissant. Finally, we have the heart. A heart, like the symbol of love, has 2 rounded tops and a pointed end. Consider the heart emoji, a perfect example of the shape. In summary, we've discussed the circle, square, triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, oval, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid, sphere, cube, cylinder, cone, pyramid, prism, diamond, crescent, and heart. Each of these shapes, unique in their structure, surround us in our everyday lives, making the world a geometrically diverse place.